How to use coupons on Temu. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use coupons on Temu. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is find the product you want to purchase on the Temu app. Over here, I have selected an interesting watch. After that, go ahead and add the product to your cart. Then open your cart and you will see the product you selected. Next, click on checkout. From here, scroll down to see different payment methods. Choose the one applicable to you, for example, Google Pay. Then scroll down further until you find the option that says apply coupon code. Over here, click on it. If you have any coupon codes, you will see them listed. Select the one you want to use and click apply. After that, any discounts, cashbacks, or benefits will be applied to your total. Once everything is done, click on submit order and you're good to go. So that's how you can use coupons on Temu. That's all for this video.